Hello and welcome to a new lesson. In this lesson we will learn how to install and configure ClamAV antivirus. First we will install the EPEL repo or repository for a 64-bit system. So first of all you will type the command rpm -uvh, and notice that the U here must be capital, and then I'll paste this link. Of course, this link that I have pasted is for the 64-bit. You will also find the link for the 32-bit system in the notes. Okay, now we have installed the EPEL repository. Let's start the ClamAV. I will type yum install and then ClamAV and then clamd and enter. It will now start the installation for ClamAV. And this may take some time, so I'll pause the video until it's installed. Okay, now it will ask you to press on Y to complete the installation. Press enter. It's now downloading the packages. And I'll pause the video again because this may take some time. Okay, now as you can see that the ClamAV is installed, its dependencies, and here is the package itself. Now the next step is to set the ClamAV to Autostart each time you reboot the system. So you will type ch or check config and then clamd and then on, enter. And by this command you won't have to start the ClamAV each time you reboot the system. Now I will start the ClamAV service. So I'll type service clamd and then start and enter. And now before we start scanning with the ClamAV, we must update it first. So to update the ClamAV you will type /user/bin and then /fresh clam and enter. And this update may take some time, so I'll pause the video until it finishes. Okay, now we have updated the ClamAV. Now let's start to make a scan with the ClamAV. To scan I will type clam scan and then -r and then /var. I will add the path that I want to scan with the ClamAV, and then www, then /html/example.com. For example, here I have chosen the directory example.com, and of course here I have added the -r, and this -r means that I want the ClamAV to scan the directories that are located inside example.com. So if I remove the -r, it will only scan the directory example.com, but when I add the -r, it will also scan each and every directory inside or under example.com. Now I'll press enter to start the scan. As you see, it have scanned all of the directories under example.com, and you can see here that the word OK is beside each file and directory. That means that there is no signs of infection. And you can see here that the scanned files are 7, the scanned directories are 6, and the infected files is 0. If you have any or you discover any infected files, you can display the infected files only by typing the command clam scan -i and then typing the path. For example, in here var www.html/example.com. So if I add clam scan -i, this means that it will display for me only the infected files. So if you type the command clam scan -i, this will scan the file or the directories, and it will display for you only the infected files. So the last step we will take here, or we will see here in this lecture, is how to configure a daily scan. To configure a daily scan, first of all, you will create a cron file by typing nano and then /etc/cron.daily clam scan and press enter. And here you will paste these lines. Of course, these lines you will find them in the notes. So we have the first line over here, scan dir. This means that what is the directory that you want it to be scanned. And here you will insert the path. Here log file, you will insert where you want the log or the result of the scan to be. So here we have the result of the scan will be saved in this file over here under this path. And here -i and this command over here, it means that it will display for you or it will save for you only the infected files in the file dailyc clamscan.log. To save, Control X, Y and enter. And then the last step, you will give the cron script an executable permission. You will type chmod and then +X and then /etc/cron.daily/clamscan and enter. And by that you have configured a daily scan for whatever path you add in the file. And by this lesson we have seen how to install the ClamAV antivirus. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.